Hey guys, welcome to Pro Web Coder. As you can see that I've updated the app, PWC customer pages and wishlist. Now it basically works with the new customer accounts. So Shopify had made it mandatory that uh, people like new accounts which would be created would be under new customer accounts. So for that I thought there was no apps which would be there. So for that I actually created this. I already created the app, but it is now doing much more than it is already there in Shopify. So we have this announcement bar, good looking announcement bar. We do have this banner option in which we can upload the banner from the backend. Then we also have this you may also uh, like it's not you may also like, but you can customize it to add any collection of your choice with the wording you can change. And then if we go into the page, then you can actually have this you may also like and referral program as well. And then you can also have under profile, you can have this rewards in which you can show the rewards. And there is a rewards full page which you can actually show, which has referrals, store credit, and you can also give discount coupon. And you can redeem the coupon, etc., based on the referrals. And also you can use the store credit while you're shopping. So yeah, a lot of stuff over here. Then there is a wish list which basically have the wish list items over here. So you can see the items available which we can view and add them to the cart from over here. So yeah, we can add it to the cart and then shop from that part. So there are a lot of things which are there in this particular app. It's very easily customizable. You'll see this new section, new customer account, new account settings, in which you have almost everything which can be customized. Also there is a footer option in which you can have social media icons and links in that. Okay, so yeah, we have upsell option which shows all the collections you have. And then for you can add your social media icon, links, etc. Okay, so there are a lot of options which you can do. So yeah, I would like you to check this out, and in case any customer needs it, you can install it for them. Okay, and yeah, I have updated a lot of things over here. Thank you so much.